Buddy, I got a plan for you. Got a new plan for you here.
Good morning. We are back on trail after a very nice Nero in Marion yesterday. Just popped in, spent the night, did a resupply, had some nice food, and now we're back on trail, picking up where we left off. And today is a big milestone because we are passing quarter of the trail. Woo! Which is really cool. Big milestone, and we're just gonna keep going and see how far we get.
Yeah, great day.
Yeah, great day. Great day. Quarter of the way through the AT.
We got game.
Yeah. You were doing that? There's a cow. There's an angler demonstrating how to climb the staircase. Here comes toe tag. Is he gonna do the reverse method? He is. No, he's not. Keeping us on our toes. And dismount.
You missed the dog, but
You've got a buddy. Stretching out. We're getting all very zen in the campsite tonight. Okay, I'm slacking.
good morning, beautiful people. It is day 37 on the AT, and we got a decent day today to set us up into Bastion/Bland tomorrow. And we also have a decent climb day, and we also have a river fording because there's a bridge down. Apparently the bridge is not down from the hurricane, it's down from 2020 storm. So that's interesting. But yeah, other than that, I think it's just gonna be a nice push day, and yeah, let's do this.
Woohoo! So here's the river that we have to ford, and the guys are going across a blowdown. You're crazy. Oh, it's very dark looking. Good morning. It is Baltic 1 this morning. It is day 38 and it is very cold. Coldest temperature recorded on my Bluetooth thermometer this morning at 5.8 degrees Celsius, or
42 and a half.
Thank you, my Fahrenheit converter. 42 and a half. So very, very cold start today, but yeah, we're excited. We've got a short day today. We did a long day yesterday. We did 23 and a half miles yesterday, but we got a shorter day today, because we're crossing the highway that takes you into Bland or Bastion. So we'll see when we get there. We have a box in Bastion post office, so we will be stopping there to pick that up. So pretty short section, but it's going to be nice to get heated up and yep, keeping going on. That way to face the AT Trail boss. Mr. Caterpillar hitching a ride. The heroes. Modelos, more Modelos.
Thanks.
He's fast but patient.
They actually want to go 12 more miles.
Smile, everyone.
We're doing 20
never mind.
more miles.
Hey. Yoo-hoo. Yeah. Hitching a ride. We're hitching a ride.
Oh, it's probably a cop.
Okay, we have part 2 of today because we originally planned just to do a Nero into Bland, but when we got there wasn't an awful lot to do. We hadn't done that many miles, and we also picked up a Vortex.
I finally caught Zippy, but actually they did wait for us and then they vortexed us into her plan of drinking beer at the subway. So now I get to hike with Zippy and toe tag. So it's gonna be a good day.
Yeah, so we're hiking out together and we're gonna do probably another 6 miles.
And
up the
Zippy had
trail.
her first, what is it? What did I say? Shotgun of the
shotgun.
beer.
I did my first beer shotgun. Only because we were packing out beers and one exploded in my bag. So I'm definitely gonna get eaten by a bear tonight. Anyway, onwards and upwards. Woo! Getting there. No, you're good. Oh, look. Oh, you're gonna get attacked. You're gonna get attacked. This is why we tap our shoes in the morning. There's a millipede in my shoe.
Hi, Vortex here again. I'm finally back with the original trail family. I've been a couple weeks ahead of them. They caught me, so I got to camp with them last night, but we finally hit mile 600.
There it is.
Which is amazing. Today we're just gonna hike to see how far we go. It's actually very nice out. I think it's only supposed to be in the 60s, but very sunny, and town day coming up, so we're very excited for that.
Woo! Yeah!
Let's do this.
Day 39, here we go. It locks. Yeah. Bye-bye. Okay, so I'm gonna recreate what was a very traumatic experience that just happened right there. So, walking along, as you know, very stylish bug pants to keep the bugs out. Not in this case. I'm walking along and I hear buzzing. And I'm like, well, there's definitely something around my head. Next thing, I get stung and I look down and there's a bee or a wasp inside one of my legs. So I'm running around screaming. I threw my trekking poles. My camera was flung. Everything was flung. Backpack was flung. I'm like falling about the place trying to get my trousers off. And the bee was in the trouser leg. How did it get in there? It's a mystery of the Appalachian Trail on this date. We will never know. It was not nice. We survived. Call an ambulance. SOS. Oh, it's wobbly. It's wobbly. Oh, look at that. Good morning. This is day 40 on the AT. Yesterday we hiked just a little bit over 20 miles to a shelter, which ended up having a pretty dark history. So safe to say it was a pretty unrestful sleep last night. Very, very, very tired today. However, it's very exciting. Today we're going to be going into town for a zero. Ooh, it's stuck underneath this. Yeah, it's our first zero since Damascus, so whoop. Really looking forward to that, because as you can tell, we woke up to a very, very wet morning, very wet tents, and pretty misty and pretty spooky morning this morning. So looking forward to getting into town. We're gonna resupply, recalibrate, wash our clothes, shower and eat everything and prepare for the next section. So excited for that. So day 40, here we go. Found in the wild in his natural habitat, we have the wild tangerine himself. Very rare species in these necks of the woods. It's so cold right now. I've got about 10 miles or so until we reach the highway to get into town. Total of about 19 miles we'll finish on today. So we just stopped for a bit of lunch back there in a shelter and got so cold. So yeah, the pace is fast today. The guys are just ahead. They're on a mission. Almost at the highway. That was 19 miles by 2:30, I think, is a new record. Woo! There they are. Woohoo! Yeah! Everyone getting excited over these tiny, tiny little condiment bottles. Look how cute these are. Are you excited? Look, oh, this is what hikers like. Look at these tiny little condiment bottles.
It grows cellular, primed up, and they add acetone.
to make it more.
Make cellulose acetate. Rowdy ways.
Wow. Wow. Look at the size of him.
Chewing tobacco? All right.
Wow, he is huge.
That's the damn horse.
I don't think I've ever seen a horse so big. Wow, he is huge.
Makes the Budweiser Clydesdales look like ponies.
Yes, wow. Wow. Hello. You're huge. You're huge. For size comparison.